Hello and welcome to this new video on how to enable multi-factor authentication on ChatGPT. So if you're new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there is a search bar. Click on the search bar and you just have to type ChatGPT and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the ChatGPT interface will be open, and when you can see the interface in your screen, you just need to look in the top right corner. There is a circular icon with an alphabet in it. Just click on there, a pop-up box will appear, and on the second last option there is settings. Just click on the settings. Now you are inside the settings menu, and when you are inside the settings, you just have to look on the left side of the settings, and to the bottom there is a security option. Just click on the last option, and when you are inside the security section, the first option you will see is multi-factor authentication, and on the right side of multi-factor authentication text there is an enable button. You just have to click on the enable button, and you have to wait for a few seconds in order to process the next step. And when this interface is opened, you just need to scan this QR code with the authenticator app, and after that your multi-factor authentication will be enabled. So this is how you can easily enable multi-factor authentication in ChatGPT. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.